I was having a good ass first.
Oh, I got ahead of you guys somehow. That's weird. Oh, there's a player on the road heading the other way. Looks like
Yep.
two people. They got
Anybody got
killed.
a gun?
Not in
Negative.
their hands. You should crouch down there, Josh. They've seen us.
Does any?
Hiding
None of
behind
us.
the
All right,
fence
let's
here.
go. Let's hit the tree line right here.
I think they're just watching us.
And they've already spotted us. Look at chat.
Yeah. I see you niggas. Handicap. What the fuck?
That's another guy. Oh, here's somebody's place.
Go right here. Get down. Get in here and get down. In third person it. And we'll wait for them. If they pop up here, we're gonna fuck them up.
I'm gonna grab a tree, so that way if they get stuck up on you guys, I can swoop in maybe.
Oh, Swanson, is that who you're talking about?
Yeah. What's he saying in the chat?
Want some? Fuck.
Want some?
Suck a butt, bud.
Come get
Damn.
some.
That shit's so funny.
I think they're packing. There's another
They've
house
gotta be.
on the other side of the field here.
Wait,
I vote we.
y'all heading to Pinecrest. I don't need to.
Why y'all hiding this here?
I need some
Yeah,
food.
I'm not liking the look of this. We should
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
let's cross this field. Then we
I
can
got more people.
kill zone them. You can see them coming a long way off. You guys see me in the field? down
Talking
the
some
hill?
shit.
No, I don't see you.
Yeah, he's in front. He's in front of us.
Alright, we need to, shut up.
They're still talking shit.
Yeah.
Back up on the road. I think
Don't fall on that shit.
they're following us.
Damn it, Mike.
They don't want no problems.
Well, we'll see them crossing this field. Let's get over this hill and just third person. Crouch down.
I need some food.
Hey,
I'm at
Joe Swanson is
25%.
Joe Swanson's talking shit to somebody else.
Yeah, he's talking to that repairman guy.
Oh, okay.
I need some food, guys.
Hey, what percent are you? Percent?
25.
Okay. You know where the bridge to get to Pinecrest is? I'm there.
Bridge to get to Pinecrest?
Well, south of Pinecrest
Yeah,
to
I
cross
think
over the
they're,
river.
they're
Okay.
happy camping let's just keep rolling.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, let's go. I need some
Meet up.
food.
Yeah.
Got dog food and 2 chocolate bars, pears. I got some food, man.
All right, cool. I'll be there shortly.
So yeah, we'll hit this little shack and then we'll circle back to the road, so we don't get lost.
Is one jackass following us? One.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get him. Let's
no,
jump his
you got
ass.
2. You got 2. You got 2.
I was gonna say we can get that one before his homeboy even gets there. He's
We
got a
have
good
to
little distance on
lay
him.
some kind of trap.
Yeah.
But
we're
he's
not-
got 2 guns. He's got 2 guns on his
Yeah,
back.
Let's
I
just
seen
keep
him.
distance. Yeah, we keep moving. It won't matter.
All right, Gary. We see the bridge. We'll be there in 2 minutes probably.
Can we drive that boat?
I think so, dude.
Yeah, man, let's take the boat. No problem.
Fucking A.
See the bridge?
Yeah, the bridge you're on.
There's
one
a
you were
bus,
talking about.
right?
Alright, you guys go first. Alright,
Are y'all crossing the bridge or?
drive. Drive.
I don't know
before
how. I'm trying. It's not going. It's
Might
not
be
going,
fixed.
guys.
Let's bail. Don't have time, we're gonna get flanked.
That's pretty exciting. Come on.
All right, get on the
Let's,
south side of the bridge, Gary.
You want me to cross the bridge?
South side of the bridge.
Let's swim here.
I ain't got
don't-
nothing.
I don't know what side you're on.
Let's swim here and swim.
On the right, on the Pinecrest side.
Bro, Pinecrest is both sides.
Are you guys swimming?
No, I'm not swimming.
We should get over.
Are you-
We should get over stealthy. And then if they try and cross the river on us, we can ambush them while they're
I'm in the rocks.
All right, we're headed on your side. We're swimming across the river.
They're crossing the river further down.
All right.
Watch out, Gary. We got 2 guys following us. Stay
Yeah,
on the
I'll
north
give you time
side, G.
To hit that.
Yeah, I haven't. Okay.
Let's go.
I'm at the bridge.
Fuck.
Okay. We're gonna meet you at the bridge. You got any guns?
Nope.
Okay.
I got a
You
couple
guys-
knives.
See this hill here? Let's
Hold
go
on,
through the
hold on.
trees on the right. Go
Okay.
left around the hill and up into those other trees. They'll lose eyes on us and we can lose them.
All right, Gary. We're here at the bridge, dude.
The opposite
not-
side.
We're on the north side of the bridge.
We don't
Where
have
the
time
bus
to
is?
wait. Let's get up in that house. See that house? they're
Yeah,
still
past the bus though, homie. We're like in the city.
coming. Are you guys on me still?
We're
Yeah.
at the 4-way.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Let's go this way. Oh, there's another guy.
Who's in the pink shirt? Or
It's
purple
us.
shirt?
That's
Alright.
me.
That's us.
They're
Alright,
right
Mike,
behind
come on.
us. Let's go.
Come on,
get
come
up
on,
in
guys.
this
We gotta
trees
go.
first.
We gotta go. Gary, you see us?
Yeah, I see you.
Watch out. We got some guys on our 6, dude.
Let's all get up in this house. and
You
then
might
if
want to
they-
sit back and watch them.
All right.
Yeah, if you could come up behind him.
That'd
while
be
we're
awesome.
in this house, then we could rush out.
Hey, they see us. They see us.
Yeah.
Are we gonna
Yeah.
go up? What are we gonna do? He's on us. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. This way, so they can't see.
Yeah, fuck, he's packing.
Come on, come on, come on. Right here, in this house. We can peep him out the back window right here.
We'll
Third
track him
person.
up.
Hey, look, look, look. They're coming. They're coming.
Okay, yeah. Let's
Fuck,
get
fuck, fuck.
upstairs.
Hey, don't cross. He saw. He saw us. Oh, they're coming. They're coming, guys. They're coming. They're coming in the house. Fuck.
User disconnected from your channel.
Oh, what the hell?
Shit.
Oh, he got me. Just one shot. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm down. Damn it.
I killed one of them. Fuck.
Damn. Yeah. I got 2 hits on him.
I only hit him once. How come
Hmm.
his shotgun is a one hit, and I shoot a
Man.
guy in the throat?
He hit me twice actually, so I don't know.
I'm in the
Oh,
trailer park.
Fuck. Which ones?
The regular one, not
Okay,
Brightmore.
not the Pine Crest, whatever.
No.
Oh, did everybody die? I thought Gary went to
Hell
another.
nah.
He didn't die.
They don't see me.
Yeah, you know, normally I, suggest vengeance, but I don't think you can. I guess there's only one of them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I killed one.
I don't
He's
think you could.
fairly geared.
I don't think you could surprise him in that house. You hear you coming. Shit.
Hey, Hush, go ahead and save that footage, dude.
Oh yeah.
It'd be worth it.